Hi guys, my name is Michaela. I chose Andromeda for my constellation project. In order to find Andromeda at about 2 in the morning and around mid-June, look for 5 bright stars that form almost the points of a crown. This is the constellation Cassiopeia. At the top of this constellation is a bright star that points directly to the top of Andromeda. The brightest star in this constellation is called Alpha Andromeda or Alpheratz. It's a binary star with an apparent magnitude of 2.06, and it's a hot blue star classified as a B8 subgiant. It's located about 97 light years from Earth. The second brightest star in this constellation is called Andromeda, or Beta Andromeda, or Merak. Merak has the same apparent magnitude as Alpheratz, but it varies between 2.01 and 2.10. It's classified as a suspected semi-regular variable star. It's a cool, bright red class M giant and is approximately 200 light years from Earth. The third brightest star in this constellation is called Gamma Andromeda or Almach. It's about 350 light years from Earth. The brighter star of Almach is called Gamma 1 and it's a golden yellow giant, while the second star is blue. The primary star is a class K bright giant and it has a magnitude of roughly 2.26 and is about 355 light years from Earth. The fourth brightest star in this constellation is called Delta Andromeda. Delta Andromeda is a double star with a magnitude of about 3.28. It's estimated to be 101 light years from Earth. The brighter star of Delta Andromeda, is a K-type giant, while the dimmer isn't known for sure. It's either a G-type main sequence or a white dwarf. All of the deep sky objects I chose are in the Andromeda Galaxy. I included this slide to show you the distance between the Blue Snowball Nebula and the Andromeda Galaxy, and also to show you where the Andromeda Galaxy is compared to the constellation. The Andromeda Galaxy is also known as M31. The galaxy contains 1 trillion stars, which is significantly more than the Milky Way. Our Milky Way has roughly 200 to 400 billion stars. It's the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way, and it's about 2.5 million light years away. The Blue Snowball Nebula is a planetary nebula in Andromeda. It's not known for sure, but the distance is estimated to be between 2,000 and 6,000 light years from us. The central star in this nebula is a bluish dwarf, and its estimated temperature is about 75,000 degrees Kelvin. The nebula's estimated radius is 0.08 light years. NGC 206, right here, is a star cloud in the Andromeda Galaxy. It's the brightest star cloud in M31 seen from Earth, and it's one of the largest star-forming regions in the local group of galaxies. The cloud contains several bright stars, and it's located in a zone that is free of neutral hydrogen in one of Andromeda's spiral arms. It spans about 400 light years. M32 is a dwarf elliptical galaxy. It's approximately 256 million light years away. It's the first galaxy that was ever discovered. It's a satellite galaxy to the Andromeda Galaxy. M110, right here, is also a dwarf elliptical galaxy. It contains 8 globular clusters in this halo that surrounds it right here. The story of the Princess Andromeda is that she was the daughter to King Cepheus and Queen Cassiopeia. Queen Cassiopeia allegedly bragged about her daughter's beauty to the sea nymphs and said that she was more beautiful than they. The sea nymphs had complained to the god Poseidon, who's the god of the sea in Greek mythology. The god was angered and he had sent a sea monster named Cetus to destroy Cepheus's lands. And in an attempt to save his lands, King Cepheus sought out the advice of an oracle, the Oracle of Ammon. The oracle suggested or said that the only way to prevent the destruction of his lands was to sacrifice his daughter to the sea monster Cetus. So King Cepheus chained his daughter to a rock in order to sacrifice his daughter to save his lands, and she would have been sacrificed had Perseus not came and saved her. Perseus saved Andromeda, they were married, and they ended up having 6 children. In the story, the goddess Athena commemorated the princess by placing her image among the stars next to her mother, Queen Cassiopeia, and her husband, Perseus. Thanks for listening in, guys. It took me about 27 times to make this, so this is the best I got. Hope you guys get a good grade.